Why don't we cut your korban meat immediately after arrival? Hey guys, I'm Hassan Abdul Rahman, second gen owner of Pulau Abang. Guys, today we are here at Straits Butchering Company. Guys, if you have been following us on our social media platform, you guys are definitely aware that the korban meat has arrived from Australia to Singapore and has landed in our Straits Butchering facility. Alright guys, so as you all know, once the meat arrives, we will not immediately cut. Why? It is because it needs to go through at least 12 hours of further chilling. Okay, this ensures that the temperature stabilizes and the meat quality is of the highest grade and value. Okay guys, so it is here. Now, this is the one which are already processed. Not only this, there are a lot more behind. So for our customers, right, once you have received this meat, we would like to recommend you all to keep it chilled so that when you consume it, it's very fresh. So for how long you can keep it chilled? Maximum, okay guys, only for 5 days, okay? Subsequently, if you are not going to consume or if you are already planning not to consume within 5 days, please keep it frozen, okay guys? So similarly guys, any cattle or any sheep that just went through slaughtering, the slaughterhouse will also keep it inside the chilling room for at least 12 hours. So at what temperature is the best? It's 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. Okay guys? So do not forget, keep it chilled or frozen and enjoy the korban meat and its succulent meat. Wassalamualaikum.